Hey guys, it's Mr. Michaels. I got an indoor activity for you. This one is indoor bowling. What you will need is some of the balls that we made in some of the previous videos. Remember, this is just paper wrapped in tape. I typically use about 2 or 3 sheets of paper to make it a little bit stronger. And I would make about 5 of these. 4 or 5 should do well for you. Okay, if you really want to enhance things a little bit, this is 3 of these balled up into one, and I made one big ugly ball. Also, what you'll need, functioning as our bowling pins, are some water bottles, okay? I only put a little bit of water to keep it from falling over so easy because I am on carpet right here. And if you can see how I have them lined up, to start, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have them in a line, okay? So we actually want to make sure we're rolling, okay? I would, depending on who you are, I would stand up and have the student just practice in a rolling motion, and it helps with that accuracy. So I'll do it from my knees, because I'm kind of tall, and just rolling it down the lane, just like that. Simple enough, okay? So another fun way I know my little kids like to do this is they like to get on their tummy, and they like to roll things out like that. And that's another fun way where they're just kind of flicking it. But as long as it's rolling along on the floor and we're not throwing it. Once you have that game all set up, what you can do is take the bottles and put them in this formation, where you put the one in the front. I can't keep that one up. You keep one off to the side here, almost like a real bowling lane. And for educational purposes, I'm only using 4 bottles, but I would try to put about 10 together. That one's out. So I got my big ball here. And of course, when you have that one in the middle and you have these off to the side, you roll it and you send it down the lane and you try to knock them over as much as you can, okay? Again, I just use 4 just for teaching purposes, but I would say get yourself about 10 water juice bottles. Again, make yourself some balls with the paper wrapped in tape and just roll it down the lane. You got yourself some indoor bowling. That's all I got for now. Coach Michaels is out. I'll see you guys next time.